recent developments, Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh has rejected the Kuki community's demands for a separate administration within the state. The Kuki leaders had been advocating for greater autonomy and separate administrative control in response to ongoing ethnic tensions and conflicts in the region. Singh's refusal to meet these demands has intensified the political standoff, with concerns about potential impacts on peace and stability in the area. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has issued a formal apology following the collapse of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue, which occurred during its installation process. The statue, intended to honor the Maratha king, faced structural issues leading to its fall. Modi expressed regret for the incident, assuring that a thorough investigation will be conducted and that steps will be taken to ensure such mishaps are prevented in the future. The apology comes amid public outcry and calls for accountability over the handling of the statue's installation. Tensions between Bangladesh and India have been intensifying, especially in cricket, where strong emotions often run high. Recent controversies and perceived biases in matches have fueled anti-India sentiments among some Bangladeshi fans, leading to outbursts on social media, public protests, and provocative actions during cricket events. This sentiment, driven by historical grievances and competitive spirit, highlights deeper regional tensions that occasionally surface in the charged atmosphere of international sports. While most interactions remain peaceful, these incidents underscore the challenges in maintaining cordial relations between the two cricket-loving nations. Mangal Mudali, a 19-year-old from the Bonda tribe in Odisha, has made history by becoming the first person from his community to pass the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test (NEET). This significant achievement highlights Mudali's academic excellence and marks a milestone for the Bonda tribe, which has historically faced educational and social challenges. His success is being celebrated as a source of inspiration and a symbol of progress for his community. A samosa seller from Noida has achieved a remarkable feat by passing the NEET 2024 exam. The individual, whose name is yet to be publicly disclosed, has expressed a strong desire to pursue a career in medicine despite the challenges faced. This achievement is being hailed as an inspiring story of determination and perseverance, showcasing that success in competitive exams is attainable regardless of one's background. The aspirant's journey is being celebrated as a testament to hard work and ambition.